Hi there, I am Christy Allison, and I am here to tell you today about the Freedom Leg. I am so happy that Dr. Larry Maurer showed me this equipment. I jumped onto my boat and I rolled my ankle and I popped a tendon. And oh my goodness, I was so sad. I went to the ER. I was told I was gonna have to be off of my foot for 6 weeks. Dr. Maurer did my surgery. He said no weight bearing, can't touch your foot to the ground. So I thought I was stuck with crutches, stuck on a scooter. Thank goodness he told me about the Freedom Leg. When I first found out that I was gonna have this surgery, I immediately started thinking about my social life, about my kids, my family, my activity level. I love to run, I love to exercise, I like to go for walks, and I knew that this was not going to happen anymore. So what do? So I get on the knee scooter and I try that. I try the crutches. The crutches are terrible. You can't carry anything. They hurt your armpits. You go slow. You can't go up and down stairs. The knee scooter, great. You can go fast on flats. You have to look for ramps. And also it's big. You're kind of in the way if you're in a crowded restaurant or a bar, or even getting in and out of a gym, like around the equipment, really difficult. So I started on this Freedom Leg. At first it was a little tricky, and then about, I would say 5-10 minutes, you got the hang of it, and I was cruising. I was going up and down stairs. I'm carrying things. I'm setting the table, starting off with that, carrying my coffee, going to the gym, lifting dumbbells. I even was on exercise machines with my leg, like putting it on the equipment, and people came up to me, asked me about it. It was fantastic. One thing that I really remember was going to a Mariners game. Walking in, it was packed, so crowded, and I had this leg on so I could walk with everybody else. I actually felt like I wasn't trapped. I didn't have a broken ankle. I felt fine. And in fact, people would actually pause, talk to me, smile, very, very friendly. It made me actually feel like I wasn't trapped anymore, not being able to walk on my ankle. One of the things that the Freedom Leg afforded me was being able to go to the gym. Prior to that, I was on crutches or this knee scooter, and I just didn't even want to bother going. I couldn't scoot around in the gym. It was too big. I mean, I could scoot around, but I couldn't actually get on and off of the machines easily. It just wasn't worth it, honestly. So with this Freedom Leg, I could walk into the gym, walk onto the machines, and one of my favorites, I remember people laughing at me as I got onto the abductor machine and I stuck my legs into the wide things and I started doing my exercises, and I got off of it and I thought, oh my gosh, I just did these exercises with my Freedom Leg on, something that I could not have done prior to that.